Hey everyone, and welcome to another release notes video. This is on the Debutify theme login portal. So as we further go down this path, we have the theme and then the login portal, right? And they both work in unison, okay? The login portal allows you to switch between multiple apps, the Debutify review app, the Debutify theme manager, and future apps. And the theme is the product that most people use. Now, we use the theme login portal for the manager, so you can get backups, so you can do remote updates, so that you can manage your plans, so you can get support. And we're going to keep adding more to that as we further go down this path and really optimize that for you to streamline a lot of it. Really trying to make it like it's a web builder solution. We've got a lot of very exciting stuff coming here. Just a few ones for this one, as it is mainly bug fixes. We enhance the theme updater, we refine the process, ensuring better support and stability to reduce friction and make a more hassle-free experience. We had a few bugs there. As I've said in another video as well, we're also looking at remote updates with the Debutify custom app. Please install that. You can do that in the theme login portal. We have steps. You just need your API keys. Then we're looking at, in the next 1 to 2 months, having remote updates. So basically it'll mean that you can remotely update your theme, a lot less work for you, and your settings will be copied across at the same time, right? We anticipate that should resolve a lot of these issues because we're really going to be pushing out a lot of updates consistently now. We have a lot of bug fixes as well this week. We had a lot of people that were unable to log in because we updated our login portal. We've now fixed most of those. We're still getting a few of those. If you're getting those, please comment that down below and our support will help. 404 message when attempting to log in, we've fixed most of those. Again, we're anticipating a couple of these little ones trickle through over the next week or two, but most of them are fixed. Onboarding issue leading to 404 error when clicking the Debutify reviews. Again, that was a fix. We fixed the shop already linked with another user. We had a few little errors like that because of the database upgrades. We've now fixed that and have sync in place, so that basically that shouldn't happen moving forward. Onboarding process was reverting to earlier steps after completion. We've now fixed that. Because now we have onboarding, we're really trying to streamline and make the experience really seamless. Network disruptions during theme file upload results in incomplete uploads. We've now fixed that as well. Inaccurate status display for main owners and issues with adding child stores. So because we're also looking at adding it so that in the future you can add more stores for other plans as well. There was just a few little bugs that we fixed there. Discrepancies in coupon code discount application. Okay, people that were using the coupon codes, there was a few little issues there. Invoice errors, discrepancies are now fixed so that people can get their invoices correctly. And the preview issue for the baby and fashion niche and the template library was displaying incorrectly. So that's all from that. If you want to read this as well, please go to the Debutify website, press and news, and you can check all our release notes. We add them here and it'll be a link in the description as well. Every week we're going to be releasing these as we ramp up this as well. Further notes is we're already working on 7.1 of the theme. We're working on the next update for the theme manager as well. We've also got updates coming for the review app, and we're still working on the early prototype of the email marketing app. So be sure to stay tuned. If you have questions, ask down below. Feedback, be sure to join the Discord community. If you did like this video, be sure to like, subscribe for more content, okay? We're rolling out a lot of content. You're going to see that now. We're really excited to bring all of this together and really push that to you. So thank you very much for your time, and I'll see you in the next video.